Good morning, guys. As you can see, we are not in studio today. We're having another internet outage. Looks like we had a little bit of a storm last night. Hermana, let me know if you can hear me okay. If the audio is all right. Let me know in the chat, brother, if you can hear me good. Go ahead and post the Discord in the link right now in the chat. Thank you, Hermana. All right, very good. Let's go ahead and take a look at these charts. We're getting some action right now, guys. Crazy action right now. As you can see here, we are on these job numbers. I think we just got job numbers right now. Off the news here, we are selling off hard, selling off pretty hard. Are we gonna head down lower for the day, or are we just gonna bounce right back up here? It looks like it's hard to say at the moment. Hard to say. We double tap the overnight high. This would have been a nice short right here. I was not ready for it. See the 1 minute. 1 minute here is already a V1. Already a V1. 30 minute looks pretty nasty. Cool. Looks like our next level to the downside here could be this 386 level. The 386 level. Underneath that, we might be reaching for overnight lows. There's no gap today. Ooh, we're just shooting right down, aren't we? It's going to be another ripper today, I see. Overnight low sit at 144, 19,144. It looks like she is dumping hard right now. Oh, man. Oh, man. Good morning, Storm. How you doing, brother? I'm going to take this down. I can check this. Put on all right, cool. All right, I'm gonna keep the chat over here on the side. Trump announced the new steel tariffs that go into effect tomorrow. That can't be good. We need steel for everything. All the construction is tied to steel. All the commercial construction is, at least. That's not going to be good. It's going to bring the prices down a lot. It's going to raise the prices on the actual product itself, but it's going to cost so much more to build. It's going to be tough for builders to get these things sold for the price that they're going to have to ask for it. That's not good for the commercial real estate market. We'll see what happens though. Anything could be possible, because when you think something's going to have a positive effect, sometimes it has a negative effect, and vice versa. The economy is such a complicated thing. It's like a moving organism, always changing. Let's see what we've got here. We could be bouncing from here, but not 100% sure yet. Could get another ripper to the upside. So I'm working today from a local Starbucks, guys, because my internet went out again. We had a little storm or something. I'm not sure what it was that we had. A little storm. A little storm we had last night. A lot of wind, though. Felt like it was going to knock over some trees. We're getting a ripper to the upside right now. They took out that liquidity from this morning, just right here. We still got more to go down if we're going to go and get the overnight lows. Overnight lows are pretty down there, pretty low down there. Already. 1 second, guys. Hello? Yeah. I'm streaming right now. Can we talk later? All right. We're moving up here. We could go to test the overnight highs again here at 600, 19.6. If we do break up above that, we've got last week's low, 768. We got that 20K level up here if the market doesn't want to fake everybody up and make a run to the upside. Not 100% sure though. 12 minute right now is not really giving me an indication of move down. It still looks like it may want to still go higher and maybe create some kind of a trap to the upside. So I would say right now the longs look a little better than the shorts. I would say it's possible here for a short squeeze. She is putting in some nice delta to the upside here. So bulls are coming into the market right now. Would it make sense for the market to head higher? Let's take a quick look at our 1 hour here. See where we have some imbalances that may need to get filled. We do have all these in here. Market could make a ripper to the upside. The downside here, we do have the 200s. Could be a possible target. It's hard to say. But I think she's going to want to go higher. Wow, she just ripped another 50 points. Yeah, looks like she still wants to go higher. Next on the chopping block here is the 600 level. And she's gone, guys. Anybody who's in the long here, congrats, is looking pretty good. Yeah, this move is crazy. This move is crazy. Just be careful. Let's watch this area. This level right here could be kind of tough to get past. Watch that 600 level. Right now she still looks good though. Right now she still looks strong. Had a nice breakout here on the 12 minute. Came back down to rip the liquidity from here. Looks like she's moving right back up. Let's see what she's got. It's going to be hard to say here. About 26 seconds left in this 12-minute candle. Let's see if we can make our way right back into this zone on the next candle. Could Be an interesting place to get short from. Unless this market is intending to hit a short squeeze today, that would be pretty appropriate for the kind of day we had yesterday. We did put in an anchor candle, anchor bar here though. This is a lot of delta to the upside, so I'm expecting us to maybe get one more or something to kind of seal this in here. Bang. Maybe this was it already here. This could have been it. That might have been it. That might have been the trap already. I'll give it a minute. The way the 12 is looking. Let's take a look at the 30 minute. 30 minutes okay. 1 minute looks like it just put in the trap here. I still think she has a little more. This is a crazy move here. There's a little move. All right, let's see if we can run up here to grab the liquidity at 540. Maybe in here. It'd be a nice place to grab a short from if the market doesn't want to go lower. So after the stream yesterday, guys, I traded my account for a little bit longer. My accounts were a little bit longer. I ended up closing my evals in I think $500 profit each, which is getting us pretty close to that $3,000 threshold that we got to get to. So I think we're right around $2,000 on each one of those accounts. So we're doing good with these micros, with these huge moves though. Obviously they're putting in some big ATRs. Let's see what the ATR is today. ATR right now is 60. That's incredible. That is quite large. That's what she said. That is pretty big. You have to be careful with these moves. Scaling down is the right thing to do in this market, I think. Let's go like the shorts here and see if we can get into a position somehow. We broke even yesterday. We made a couple dollars yesterday on our fundeds, and we made some money on our live account. So we are doing good. We did good across the board yesterday, even though it was a really bad morning. It was a horrible morning for me. We ended up getting a break towards the end of the day and brought our accounts back to life, which was good. Trying to be more selective today. I haven't taken any trades yet. Saw a few that I liked, but I wasn't quick enough to take them. See if we can possibly get into something today though. Hopefully sooner than later if we find something good. Thank you guys for the likes. Again today, if we can get our views up to 50 likes, we'll do a 50K eval giveaway. Yesterday we were pretty close. We were about 20 something likes. And we didn't have that many viewers yesterday, so I think today if we can get some more viewers, we could definitely crush it. And we'll do a 50K eval giveaway. I'll do that every day. If we can get the 50 likes, and then once we start growing a little bit more, we'll scale it up. But 50 likes is good. 50 likes for a 50K eval giveaway. Sounds good to me. Let's see if she wants to pop higher here, or if she just wants to go back down low. I'm thinking she could roll over. I'm just waiting for a little pop here above the 542 level. See how she reacts at that level. So she might be losing some strength here. But she will look like that right before she rips it to the stop losses here. I'm sure there are some stop losses in here. So I'll be patient and wait for her to come up here and grab these. See if she does. If she does. So she's going to go for it now. Today could be another dump fest, guys. It really can. Or we could squeeze those shorts from yesterday. I'm sure there's a lot of positions that are still in their short positions. A lot of traders still in their short position, sorry. Will the market go back up to 19.5? Let's see. 19.540 to be exact. Right up in here. Alright, if we can hold this level, which looks like we're trying to, the bulls are absorbing the bearish delta here. We could pop up back up to 540 is what I'm thinking. Thinking we'll grab that 540 liquidity and then head on back down. Very probable. At which point I will probably start hunting for a short. We're stuck at the daily open right now. EMAs are all right there. You got the VWAP right there. This is a tight little area here. We could get a lot of chop here. Could get a whole lot of chop. Could get a whole lot of chop here. See if the bulls are strong enough to push it to the 540s once more. Let's see if she can push. Let's see it. I did take this long here into the 540s. Let's see if I can figure out which key is which. OBS. Just me Tradezella project. I think this is it. I don't know what's name's on. My settings are not working. My hotkeys, Discord, just me, Project X, Trader 3, okay, should be working. Well, here's my trade. Have to manually do it, I guess. Trying to see if we can get up to that 540 level. Right now it looks like she is losing a little bit of steam here. Heading right back down to where we got started at. really do think she may want to just grab this one more time before rolling over, but I could be wrong, could be completely wrong. We'll find out soon enough here. That looks like she is pushing pretty hard. You know, so we're about to get stopped out here at the 400s. If we do, we'll be patient and wait for the next setup. Take a look at the 1 minute. See what's cooking on the 1 minute. Yeah, looks like that was a little bit of a fake out to the upside. We're going to go down and rip the stops. 30 minutes looking super weak. We might still be in it. We're going to get saved by a tick. Nope, not today. Not today. Not today, guys. Let's go back to square one, see if we can find something. Next one has to be a winner. It's being nasty today. So next level down here will be that yesterday's low, sitting at this 266, 270 level, 269, 270 level. That might be where she wants to head to next. Looking at our bigger time frame here, looks like could try to tap this 350 level first. I don't know if that's going to give us a little bounce right back up, or if we're going to just melt down. What's going on, Abashik? Good to see you, brother. Thank you for being here. Thank you guys for the likes. Appreciate you guys very much. Remember, guys, 50 likes will get us a 50K eval. So we got some more downside coming in. Market keeps melting here. Tapping our 350 level. Let's see if she'll hold. This was the previous level of demand. Let's see if it's still there. Could get a little bounce here into the possible daily open if there are some buyers left here. If there are no buyers, then we're heading right down to those 260s, 270s. The sell-off continues, guys. The sell-off continues here. Not much to cling on to here for the bulls. Looks like we are not able to find a strength just yet. This morning's little pump could have been just a teaser. I think today's idea and yesterday's idea would have been sell low and buy it back lower. We're not getting many pops. Wow. Super heavy market today, guys. Super heavy. And it looks like it may want to continue slow grinding like it did yesterday. Oh, man. It's not looking too good, not too healthy. Looks like she may want to reach here for yesterday's low. We're going to have to wait here patiently, see if we can catch a pop. Original plan was to short it from up here, but looks like we never got that opportunity. The market is so weak that it doesn't give us any pops at all. We tried to search for those pops, but they did not come. Let's see if they come now. Let's see if she breaks out here through the trend line. Possibly tapping that daily open once more. She could go for that 450 level once more. She could try the 450 level if there is any strength in this move whatsoever. Let's see if she'll break through here. strength. Still no strength. Still getting beat up here. Way too heavy of a market. Yeah, the weakness is pretty apparent here. Unless you'll get see if she can get a little push just to grab those stops there at the daily. This market getting so much sell pressure. Every little pop is getting pushed down. I don't know if bears are going to get trapped just yet, but it looks like the bulls are not in charge. It's getting pretty heavy. Still being pushed down here, maybe into the 270s. See if she'll push into the 270s. 273 exactly is where the yesterday's low is. See if the market will give us that move right there into let's see if she's going to pick a direction here. Looks like it's being sold off. Let's see if she'll push a little harder. Is it possible she may pop here a little bit? Looks like it. This pop is getting sold off too. Not too bad, not too bad. She might be picking a direction now to the downside. Let's see if she'll give a move. 278 is on the chopping block next. Let's see if she'll go there. She is going. Yeah, looks like she's reaching for it. Alright, she's going for it. She's getting close. Now the TP here at 278, I think we just tapped. Yeah, we just tapped that. Okay, we're our first win of the day. And it happened to be a short. Look at that. She's pushing a little harder. Let's see if she'll get a bounce from here. I doubt she will. What's up, Micaiah? How you doing, brother? Good morning to you. She may try to bounce a little bit here. I'm not sure if I trust the bounce. I'll look to be short in the bounce here if we can catch it. Stack 1500 today on the XFAs. Nice shot, man. Playing light, but it's all locked up. Played some options and near the low. Good for you, Micaiah. You're a beast, brother. Thank you guys for the likes. Appreciate that. You guys are really helping the channel out big time. Unfortunately, today we are streaming from Starbucks. Internet went out once more. It's back and running now because I just got pinged from my cameras that the internet is on. But I don't want to stop the stream now to go home. Might as well just end the stream here. End our day here at our Starbucks. The Starbucks is pretty chill though. It's kind of quiet here, so we can talk. I don't trust this. I don't trust this long. But I am looking to start accumulating another short. I'd like to see a pop maybe into the 380s here. Grab some stops. Yeah, she's getting absorbed. Getting absorbed big time. I think we have our overnight low sitting at the one. If I'm not mistaken, the overnight lows are sitting here at the 144 level. It could be a nice target. See if the market wants to go there next. She's still weak here. She's getting a lot of sell pressure still. She might pop up here to grab some stops. We'll see. Should she continue to get sold off here, or is she going to grab these stops? Stops getting grabbed here. Alright, let's see where she'll go. Maybe she'll try this 380 level here. Not sure if she wants to reverse now or try that 380 level. I think either one is possible. So she's going to pop higher. She could stop in her tracks here, possibly. They're grabbing stops here. Let's see if she moves down. Push down a bit. pushing back down. Let's see if the momentum will continue to the downside here. I'm thinking if it does, we can head down to the 144s. It's the overnight low. Let's see if she continue to push here. 44 is possible. If she doesn't get a bounce here at yesterday's low, she could cut right through there and right to the 200 level before finding any resistance, most likely. Low uncertainty here. Market seems a little uncertain of itself. Still does not want to move down. Not yet, at least. She has to push higher. Starting her shenanigans again here. No straight moves. Complicating things here, looking like she wants to go down and then she goes up. Yeah, she is half retarded, this NQ. She wants to go down, then she goes up. She wants to go up, then she goes down. We'll see. We'll see which is the right direction she actually wants. Looks like she's going to rip up for some stops here. She wants the stops. She wants the late shorts. Alright, looks like she's trying to move higher, even though we know she's not. We know she's just tricking us right now, trying to stop out these late entries. Let's see where she'll go. Maybe she'll go up to the daily open again. What's up, brother? Yeah, I used to get that all the time.
Yeah. I looked over. I was like, wait a minute.
Yeah.
Can't be Derek Jeter now. Yeah. You from New York?
I used to live in Jersey.
Oh, there you
Yeah,
go.
I used to get it all the time, especially when I was younger. Huh?
Were they mistaking you for Jeter?
Yeah, when he had hair, I had hair too, and now he's bald and I'm bald. This is kind of like where this.
Hey, Jeter got the ladies, man.
Yeah, I've heard.
Granted, he was worth like $500 million.
Yeah, of course, that doesn't hurt.
Yeah, right. Like a troll, probably. He scored the ladies. You're worth $500 million.
Of course. Thank you, brother. Appreciate it. Yeah, I just got confused again for Derek Jeter. That's pretty funny. I used to get that a lot when I was younger. I'm at Starbucks, Larry. I'm at Starbucks right now because my internet went out this morning, so I'm trying to see if I can trade and stream from here. Let's see what she's up to here. She's moving much higher here up to the daily open. 12 minutes looking pretty good for the upside. We could get a little reversal. It looks like this here gave us a little bit more of a push higher. Don't think that'll be I don't think this is gonna continue any lower. If we might get a little retracement, but I don't know if we're gonna go much lower here. The 1 minute looks strong. 3 minute looks a little trappy here. Don't know how much she could drop. It's a little trappy. Could give us a little bit of a rip down to 320 maybe. Let's see if there'll be a push on this. Let's see if they'll give us a little push here. She's being absorbed. I'm not sure how much she'll go though. Most likely she'll be right back up to the daily open. Let's see what she's cooking with here, guys. Let's see what she's cooking with. She might have a little bit of a rocket fuel here. Yesterday was a really nasty, dumpy day. She could do the exact opposite today just to mess with us. Take care, brother. She's pushing down some. these uncertain moves, man, they're the worst. We'll just be patient here, though. See if we can catch this move. Very annoying. Yeah, let's see if she keeps pushing here. She catch a bounce or she keep pushing? Larry says this is yesterday all over again. We'll find out soon if it is. Bigger moves than yesterday, though. Watch these 60 ATR on the 3 minute. I don't know if we're going to get that push here. So she may not be done messing around to the upside. She might still want more upside here. Oh, she's ripping. She's ripping here. Let's see if she'll go this time. That looked like a bit of manipulation there. We'll see if it was. What a crazy market here, guys. She'll pop, she'll drop, she'll pop, she'll drop. I'm really thinking she wants that 144 level, but we'll find out soon enough. We'll find out soon enough what she wants. She may want to hold yesterday's low at 280. We'll see. Darian, what's up, brother? Good to see you here, Darian. All right, brother. Let's see what we got here, guys. I think she may want to drop here into check this level again at 263. Keeping my fingers crossed for her. I'd like to see it. I'd like to see it, to be honest with you. This 12-minute short absorption, this candle came right into it, got sold off again. I think we can continue getting it now. Tough to call, man. Tough to call. Wow, more. That's crazy. She's not done ripping. She's not done ripping and grabbing people's stop losses. This really makes me think that they want to drop this price, or they keep doing these little rips to the upside to grab more liquidity. But when will she go is the question. When will she actually go? Yeah, she's going to rip higher here to grab more stops, especially above this level, at the 377 level. That might have been all she wanted. Let's see if she'll tap into the daily open now. She's pushing hard here. Looks like she might be going for the upside. Well, maybe we're done with the downside for today. This volume here looked pretty good anyway. It was bullish. Volume on the 1 minute looks like it's seriously pushing higher. 30-minute looks like it's also getting stronger. Looks like we're gonna have an update. Looks like we can continue getting bullish. Delta looks strong. Thank you guys for the likes. If you guys are just jumping in now, if you get 50 likes today, we'll do a 50K eval giveaway. Yeah, she looks pretty strong at the moment. He's going to try these 500s next. The 600 level is still on my target block here. The 12-minute looks increasingly strong here. Could be a tough thing to short. Shorts are kind of like out the window at the moment, just for maybe a scalp, that's it. The 12 minutes looking stronger and stronger. Careful here with the chop, guys. This is we got the daily open, the VWAP, we've got EMAs, everything in this little area here. Got everything you could think of. Let's see if she's going to squeeze bears here. It could be very possible she squeezes the bears. That's the way it's looking. These bears look squeezable. Like a little teddy bear. Bears are just so squeezable here. See what these, what do they want to do here? like a good old-fashioned squeeze. Yeah, she's squeezing the bears here. Careful here, gents. She could go right up to 600. Good old-fashioned squeeze, I see. Alright, see if she'll break trend or if she'll continue with this move. I'm thinking she can go right back up to the 600s where I wanted to short from earlier. She might be setting up for the short, but right now she doesn't look good. Right now she still looks like she's going to pump higher. Let's see what's going on. She's seeing some resistance here, but I also think she has the strength to continue going. I think she's going to squeeze these bears pretty good. Trying. She certainly is trying here. So she does another push up into the 520s to grab this liquidity again. So she's forming a little bit of a bull flag. The 30-minute looks pretty aggressive. Looks really aggressive. Yeah, I don't think we'll be dropping just yet. With the 3-minute, what I'm looking for here is either we had the trap here, and now it's rolling over, or I'm looking for it to take place now, which is probably more likely because the 12-minute does not look like a trap at all. It looks like it's just gradually getting stronger. The next bar could be a trap. The one we have right now does not look like a trap yet. Looks like we're good old-fashioned bear squeeze. We'll see though. We'll see here. What's up, comrade? What's going on, brother? Anything positive happening? Push the markets up, or it's just manipulation? I think it's profit taking, and it's also the thing called recency bias. Everyone is traumatized from yesterday, so everyone's looking for shorts. So the market makers take advantage of that, and they take it the other direction. ¿Qué pasa, amigo? What's up? Brain damage? I'm at Starbucks, brother. My internet went down last night. We had a little bit of a windstorm last night. Crude is at support, and nat gas just filled gap. Now recovery started. Later Gator nap time, says brain damage. Yeah. So meanwhile, I think we could still push higher here. Still think we can push higher. Only the market, only time will tell though with this market. Right now I don't see any nice setups. I do not see it. 1 minute is just chopping sideways right now, taking orders. It's going to probably rip to the upside. Probably, most likely, rip to the upside. We do have a lot of bullish delta right now. Waiting for some more high probable setups here, guys. I can't just jump into this trade at the moment. I do like the longs better, and I do think it's going to roll over somewhere in the 600s, possibly. That's our target I'd be looking at. But at the moment, I can't really justify a trade in either direction. I like the longs better, but for all I know, they might sweep down to the 370s before going up to 600. So she's done it all before, so I wouldn't be surprised. We're losing a lot of strength here on the 1 minute. 3 minute looks like it's losing the strength as well. And it is overbought. We could roll over, yeah. We could roll over. Maybe down to 380. She'll push. Most likely not. I think she could push down to 370s, 380s. Let's see if she'll do it. Looks like it's getting bought up. It's getting bought up pretty good. See if she'll drop down to 370s, or she might just continue clowning around here. She's getting bought up pretty good here. You said both still want to take charge. Yeah, Yeah, looks like she's going to rip here and grab some stop losses. She'll probably rip up and grab some stops here before actually going down. If that's what she does. She'll pop up here, back up to the daily open most likely. Yeah, she gave a nice little push down, but now she's gonna just go right back up. Yeah, this move down was brought up pretty fast. Delta's getting stronger here, not weaker. Alright, let's see if she'll push up into the 600s. She could push into the 600s here. Looks like it's still going to keep going on the 1 minute. The delta's getting stronger. See if she'll hold. Let's see if the strength is actually there. It's getting kind of flaky on us here. Let's see if she'll go. Delta still looks solid for the upside, but you know how she is. She can't ever make up her mind here. See if she truly wants more upside, or if this was all just a farce. This could have been a sham here. 3 minutes doesn't look great. might push higher here. If she can continue this momentum to the upside. Let's see, she could. Hard to say though. She just put in a little bit of a nice trap here on the 3-minute. 1 minute looks suspect. Oh man, she is definitely not cooperating today, huh? Definitely not cooperating. Whole lot of chop here this morning, guys. Well, this bull flag is turning out to look all right. We'll see if she can get some follow through. That's the only thing we're missing this morning is the follow through. Let's see if she's got any follow through at all. If she does, she could rip up to the 600s. Kind of what I'm hoping for here. Then from there, we'll figure out our next move. Yeah, I think we need a good push up into 600, that's for sure. See if we can get this move past 520, then we can worry about 600. Yeah, the follow through is the problem today. Oh, you just passed your day trade eval? Trade day, I think you mean. Good job, brother. Congratulations. Armand, I gave Armand some love in the chat, guys. Just passed his eval for trade day. Okay, let's see if we get that push here. It's a possibility we get this push into the 600s now. Let's see if there's any strength in the market today. If there is, we'll blow past this 520 level, use those stops as liquidity and continue higher. Use those stops as rocket fuel, I should say. We also got the point of control here at 19,454. That's why we've been hanging out in this area for so long. She might want to come down one more time. Yeah, what a chop fest. Choppy on the 3 minute. Let's see if the bulls will step in here. See if we've got enough orders to keep going. Looks like something's happening. More chop. It looks like more chop. Could it be more chop on the horizon? Yep, more chop. She's not doing much here, huh? All she's doing here is looking weak and choppy. Yeah. What a mess the NQ is. What a mess. Doesn't look like she wants to do anything just yet. Being patient here at the chop zone of the VWAP, the daily open, the EMAs, everything you could think of is here, even the point of control. She might just hang out here all day. There's so many levels here. So many levels there. She might just hang out there all day long. I'm just kidding. I don't think she will. Definitely taking orders though. Let's see if she'll pop here from the daily open. See if she will. I don't think so. There's really nothing here to trade. Just setting up kind of decently here for a long again, but at the moment she is just going sideways. Sitting on the sidelines, guys, waiting for something to happen here. I'd like to get into this long, but I keep getting stopped out at break even here with this chop. Very frustrating to trade. Finally ready to go. Just tapping liquidity and see if she's finally ready to go here. Yeah, looks like it is. Should go for the breakout? Oh no, probably not. She's having a hard time there. Alright, she's having a hard time getting through. Yeah, she's having a hard time getting through here. Could be setting up a nice short here. Put in a high volume candle here. Let's see if she'll actually do something with it. This could be a false breakout. We'll see in a second. Yeah, I've got my eyes set on 600. I don't know if she's going to go there with this little push, but it looks like she could. Watch these 550s next. Then we ultimately looking to hit that 600. Question is, will she do it on this pop? Will this be a flop? Could be a flop here. Wow. Let's see. Really would like to see this push into the 600s here, though. Wow, there's even chop on the breakout. Oh, look at that. Even chop on the breakout. Yeah, I don't think she's going to drop on this move. We'll see though. I really do think she'll go higher here. But I've been wrong most of the day. Minutes setting up pretty nicely for a short, but I think she's going to push a little higher. She's still got 2 minutes left in the 12. Same thing for this 3-minute candle. I have a feeling she's going to give us another little push to the upside, but I'm not sure when, if it's going to be now or if it's going to be in a few minutes. She'll give us this initial drop here, but I think she'll go higher. Let's see though. Yeah, we lost that strength on the 12. Might get a pop here from the daily open, yesterday's close, VWAP, EMAs, point of control. I'm telling you, there's everything here at this level. Everything is here. What's up, Michael? Good morning, Biblical. Good morning, you guys, for being here. 23 likes. Wow, that's amazing, guys. Remember, 50 likes today, guys, and we'll get 50K eval. We're almost there, man. Thank you so much. I really appreciate all the likes and the support. Yeah, so ultimately, I think we could bounce from here and go to the 600s. Although this 3-minute did have a divergence. A divergence here on the 3-minute. Could have possibly been a trap here. I don't see the trap on the 12 yet. It just kind of makes me feel a little uneasy about this. We had it. We lost it. The delta kind of went down on that last little move. What happens here, guys? The 550 level looked like it was enough resistance to move this market back down, but let's see if it's just a temporary stop. Now, I think if she breaks this 550 level, then yeah, absolutely 600's on a chopping block, but at the moment, it's still looking kind of weak here. Market's still telling me that there's a little more upside. I'm gonna get all kinds of copyright strikes today with all these songs in the background for sure. Now we get the market pushing a little harder. Let's see if she has the strength here, or if she's gonna give us a good old dump right here into the daily open again, possibly under these ranges here. Come and grab some more liquidity, possibly. That's what it looks like she may want, but right now she's still pumping. Looks like she wants to. I want to head higher here. See if she'll push down.
Yeah, you just go back in, like log in, like click on the door.
This door is this door.
Yeah, I don't have all your information saved.
Well, that makes sense. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, so you don't have to like reapply.
maybe there was like every person that came out, everything, but you're just saying like click.
Yeah.
Let's see what happens here, guys. If she'll go tap this 450 level again, or possibly even under the 450, maybe even the 413s to grab that liquidity. Such chop though, it's hard to say what she may do or what she wants to do. Sorry, I can't look at all of your oh, what's up, Biblical? Yeah, man, I'm at Starbucks. My internet went out yesterday. Rigoberto, what's up, man? Why can't I use non-trading symbol, but everything matches? I'm right month and right everything. Rigoberto, you having a problem with your trading view? What are you having a problem with? Sorry, brother, I don't have the screens right now to kind of read your messages and to trade at the same time. I'm on my laptop. Like she could push here. what a messy chop here, guys. Be careful. Wow, she's doing so little right now. She is doing so little. It's ridiculous. Wow, wow, wow. She's literally doing nothing. Might break the trend line here. Yeah, she's doing something. Trying to position ourselves here for a possible short. It's hard to, it's really hard to quantify what she wants to do, man. She is so bipolar that it hurts. Will she give the dump off, or will she pump to the heavens? Tune in later. Doesn't look too good to the upside at the moment, but oh man. But anything can change here. We could get a turnaround right now and rip the 600 and keep pumping all day. I don't know. I can't call it. Paying a lot of commissions today though, because I'm hitting a lot of break evens with these micros. This is terrible price action. And I can't trade for that long today. I have to go around 12:15, 12:30. I think like 12:15. I got like half an hour, or I got like 15, 20 minutes to make some money here. Let's see if we get a dump off. Be nice. Goes. And let's see if she'll slice through this level here like a hot knife through butter. Could it be? A lot of people are gonna try to long this VWAP daily open. What does the market think of it? What does the market think? I'm going to take one off at 419 if we can get down there. And I'm going to leave two on. Yeah, so I've got a short on right now. 3 contracts across 3 accounts. First TP is going to be at 419 if we can tap it. And we just did. Wait, just missed it for a little bit more. There we go. All right, we got one. And I'm going to leave the next 2. Maybe we could get down to 144. 144 would be nice. The other 2 at break even. I think we get a big move. This is how big moves start. They start with little moves, and they end up being big moves. So I'll leave these on to 144 if we can. We did chop around a lot in here though, so this was good accumulation time. Now I think the market will go to 144. I don't know if it will. Nate says not trading personally, but thinking range prior to news. What's up, Banks? How we doing today? Publizi, what's going on, man? Man, in a coffee shop, that Wi-Fi is better than the library. It absolutely is. What's up, Nintendo? What's good, day traders? Publizi in the building. That's sure. Hope everyone is having a good day. I got MFF, and my broker is Tradevate, and I tried getting it for TradingView platform, but nothing goes. I tried everything. Why are you? Oh, okay. Well, Rigoberto, I don't know, man. I don't know. Really, to be honest with you, that sounds like you can go to TradingView, and there's a help section. Just click on help and put in a message into the chat, and they'll get back to you the same day. That's what I've done when I've had issues. Sorry, I can't be more help, brother, but I have no idea, what's going on your end. That's not good. So I'm currently in 2 micros. I took one off already. I'm currently in 2 micros, hoping that we can get this move back down. Even though the delta doesn't look favorable for either way. Let's look at the 1 minute. Looks like we're probably going to pop back up to the upside here. Looks like that's what she wants. Exactly what she's going to do. More than likely this is going to come right back up. Let's see. It'd be pretty poetic to see this move come all the way down to 144, but more than likely it's going to run right back up and grab stops. That's what it looks like. If she breaks 452, then she's probably going to continue up to the 600s. She doesn't really have to go back up. I was thinking she would. Looking at the structure, it looks like it's more likely to come back down this way, but she could make a higher high, higher low here, and just keep running. The delta is stacked to the upside. It's hard to call, guys. Hard to call, very hard to call. Hope the audio is okay, guys. I am on my headphones. I got about 10 minutes of the trade, guys, and then I have to go. much more this move can move down. I'm hoping it could go to 144. And I'm thinking it's going to have a pop here. Let's see what she wants to do. Trail stop. Should I trail the stop? Let's see. Are these bears really aggressive still? Are they still in the market pushing this price down? I have a feeling she's going to run up and grab stops. I hate when she does that. But I think that's really all she's got. Alright, come on. Let's see if yesterday's low can get tapped here. Back down at 300. Or 270, I think it was. 270, 269. 273. In the 270s. I think she's going to run higher, grab stops, like she always does. And that's probably the case. She's appearing to look weak right now, but God knows what she really wants to do. She's still looking like she's getting bears are still absorbing buying pressure. Okay. Usually the shorts that take the longest are the ones that pay off the most. You guys ever notice that? Shorts that take the longest usually tend to pay the best. Should I take one off here at yesterday's low at 270? I really think she can go through that price pretty easily. If she does go down there. She may not even go down there. I'm gonna keep trailing her. I'm gonna keep trailing her because I don't want to leave that much money on the table here. If there's a true strong move down, she'll keep going down. Right now, it looks like she's moving back up. The bull stepping in or the bear stepping in? Bulls are still in the house? Bulls are bears. Yeah, looks like she may want to go back higher. I heard someone say never get out of your trade with a take profit. Always get out of your trade with a stop loss. Do you guys think that's a good thesis? You should never get out of trade with a TP, only with a stop loss. They're playing that good, relaxing trading music. Yeah, they're playing a whole bunch of different music here. Hopefully, I don't get copyright strikes. Yeah, but it did play some good stuff here. What works best for me? What works best for you, bro? No, I use a combination of both. I like the combination of both. I like TPs a little better, just because I feel strongly about certain levels. But right now I'm trailing this move, just because I don't trust it. I think we can peel one off here at 285 if we get down there. If we can get down there. Looks like those shorts are piling in now. Come on, baby. Every time a new candle opens, my heart skips a beat. You guys feel that way? Does your heart skip a beat every time a new candle opens? Yeah. Let's see if we get a move down to 285. That would be decent for us here. These moves are absolutely huge. I'm saying 285 and we're at like 370 right now. And it seems like it's right there. See if we get a nice big red candle here. It would make my day. Absolutely make my day. The best is yet to come, says the song. Let's see, let's see. Come on, baby girl. Let's see if 285 is on your chopping block. You ain't seen nothing yet. Next TP is at 285 if we can get down there. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Yeah, Delta looks fine. I'm not spooked by the Delta just yet. Especially on the 3 minute. 3 minute looks fine. There's a lot of guys going long in here, so this market's trying to get away from them. Let's see. Nate says scalps work better for me with brackets. Sometimes you get sudden moves that hit TP only to retrace as expected, but too quick for a manual exit. Yeah, that's true. You just never know what you're gonna get sometimes. Like right now, she could get all kind of crazy. She could get all types of crazy right now. We're hoping we see that 285 first, though. See if I can. Does anyone know how to use Tradezella on their phones? I have the hardest time using Tradezella on my phone. I think I got it. Yeah, I found it now. Alright, she's absorbing, but who knows? She might just get pushed down here even harder. Thinking 285 is pretty close here to not go back, not go down and grab. Or even a dip under 250. And then after that, all bets are off. This market could drop to 144. She could also reverse from here. Alright guys, I really appreciate all the likes today. We hit 25 likes, man, and we've had almost no viewers today. I know it kind of sucks here with my laptop, but I do have to get going. I will see you guys tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Sorry I couldn't be here longer. I really do hate the fact that I have to go, but I have something very important to take care of. I will see you guys all tomorrow. Wishing you guys the best of luck. Be safe. Respect these moves, guys, and scale down. I'll see you guys tomorrow, man. Take care, guys.